welcome to my channel. I'm Annie, the giveaway girl. For those who have never seen my videos and are new, welcome to my channel. And for those who have been following me since my other YouTube account, well, welcome back. I am going to be doing a giveaway today, so if you do want to learn the details on that, just keep on watching. And if you want to learn how to do this look, just keep on watching as well. So I went ahead and primed my eyes and did my eyebrows. Since this is going to be a Jeffree Star giveaway, I am going to be using the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star. But I am going to be using colors that you may find in any palette, I guess. I'm going to be using this one, the stroke. Well, if you have it, you know which ones I'm talking about. But I'm going to be using these three right here and the yellow, and maybe I'll be using the two blues. I still don't know. I'm not sure if I am going to use them or not. The look will still look good without the blues. I'm going to mix Taste Buds and Beach. I'm not going to say the bad word because I don't want to get demonetized. So I'm going to mix those two together. Any means, I am not trying to make this look perfect because this is just, I am still gonna clean it, so this is not how it's gonna end up looking, okay guys? Then I am gonna go ahead and go in with Kumquat. It's this one right here. It's kind of like a brown orange, I want to say. I'm just gonna put it in the outer corner of my eye and bring it to the inner corner, just blending it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take Stroke. This is like a brick color, so. And again, I'm just gonna put it in the outer corner of my eye. And I'm gonna use Drizzle. Again, I'm gonna put it in the outer corner of my eye just to enhance that. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. So how I like to cut my crease is that I just line the bottom of my eye, and since I don't really have a big eyelid, I just open my eyes, look up, and see where the line stops up on. I'll show you guys, but technically it's gonna look bigger than it should actually look, because if you look at me right here, like my crease is right here, but when I open my eye and close it, the crease will end up being like over here. So let me show. So I like to do that and then look up, and you guys can see where my crease stops. Because when I open my eyes, the bottom, my lid, when it's open, it's gonna touch the top of my eye, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but anywho, it's gonna look kind of crazy when I do the cut crease. But it's a really good tip to do your cut crease. If you don't know how to do a cut crease and you're barely learning and you really want to learn how to do a cut crease, I recommend doing that. Just do a line as if you were doing eyeliner and look up, and that's where your crease stops. So the next thing I will be doing is I'm gonna go ahead and put the yellow all over the cut crease. Packing it on the eyelid. I'm not trying to blend it or anything, because if you do that, if you try and blend it in with your other eyeshadow, it's just gonna bring the concealer, I'm sorry, it's gonna just ruin the concealer and like rub it all over your eye, and you don't want that, because then your cut crease is gonna disappear. Another thing that I never do my makeup before I do my eyes, because I do get a lot of fallout usually. I'm very messy doing my makeup, so I like to go with a wipe and just clean my face afterwards and just worry about doing my makeup later, not on the moment, and like having powder under my eyes. I really don't like that. That's why I'm not wearing makeup right now. Okay, so this is how it's looking, you guys. I am gonna go ahead and use some of the dark brown right here and just try to blend the yellow with the brown so it doesn't look like you can't see that rough line right there. I'm gonna try and blend it out. These two colors right here, the pinkish, and just blend everything out. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this color right here, and I'm gonna put it on the brow bone and just blend it with the pinkish colors that I put on top of my eye. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my makeup off camera, and this is how it ended up looking, but I'm still not done. I haven't done all my eyes. I haven't done my highlight or the brow bone. So before I do the highlight, I'm just gonna take the brick color right here, this one. I'm gonna go ahead and take it and put it on my under eye, okay? I haven't done my bottom lashes either because I was gonna do this. On my lips, I went ahead and used the Christmas cookie. I actually didn't love how it looked on me. I think it's very pinkish. I like more brown nudes than pinkish nudes. But I mean, it's alright. It ain't that bad. So if you guys like the look like this, you can just leave it like this. But if you want a little bit more of a crazy look, you can use the blues. So what I was saying is that before I started doing the makeup, that I wanted to try the blues on the bottom of the palette. I haven't really used this palette at all. This is kind of like my first time using it. I swatched it before, but I've never used it, so I'm very curious on how this would look on my eye. And I was just thinking on doing it on the just making a line on the cut crease with the blues, just to accentuate the cut crease and see how it looks. The one that's really calling my name is this one right here. It's like a bluish greenish, and I think it's gonna look really nice. So let's see how it looks. Ooh. Oh my god, I love this color. So pretty. Kinda almost wished I would have used this color instead of the yellow. But I'm happy I did use the yellow, because that way if you guys don't want to use something so crazy, or you want something more for a day out, or you know, you can just use it like this, yellow and brown. It's not that crazy. I think it's really cute for summer. But this blue, oh my god, it looks beautiful. I really don't think it looks that crazy. I really do like how this is turning out. Wow. I almost want to put like a little pop of blue in the inner corner of my eye. Just like a little, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna do the other eye and decide afterwards. Wow, you guys, I just love how this looks. I love the color, the bluish greenish color. I think it looks really nice with the look. I think it's kind of completes the look. So I am gonna be using the Skin Frost. I just got this when I got you guys your gift. I did get myself a highlighter, not a one that's that expensive like the other ones I got. No. But this is the Ice Cold. I think it's like the first highlighter he came out with, and I was always curious on trying it. But since I really like the Supreme Frost, the ones I'm giving you guys away, I stick with those. I really never. I do have one of these. I have the Siberian Gold. I actually use that for my lip. This one right here. I really like this one. But I think that's the only one I have of those. I have more Supreme Frost than I do this. But let's see. This is the first time I try it. So let's see. Oh my god, I love it! Oh my god. This is beautiful. I'm just gonna use a bigger brush to blend this because I don't want it to look just like a line. So, yeah, there we go. Should know better. There we go. Wow, I love this, you guys. You guys are gonna love the ones I'm giving you guys away, so it's okay. Wow. I just love this. Wow, this is beautiful. I love this. I love how this turned out. Well, I am gonna add a little bit of highlight on the brow bone. So let's do that. Oh guys, I just love how this highlighter looks, and I love how the eyes look. I am gonna go ahead and try the blue in the inner corner of my eye, but I am gonna try the other blue. This one. Let's see how this looks. kind of looks like the other blue, so it's not really that different. Oh, hell no, I don't like how this looks. See, I just ruined the makeup, but it's okay. We can fix it. Let's go ahead and put some highlighter in there. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, the dream one. And I am gonna use I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the purple. So I don't know if it's gonna mix well with the blue, I hope so it doesn't look so, I don't know, weird. I'm trying to see if this is fixing it. Oh yeah. When in doubt, add highlighter. There we go. Oh, that looks so nice. So okay guys, I am gonna be doing giveaways every other week. The giveaway for this week is going to be the Supreme Frost from Jeffree Star in Wet Dream. I am not gonna open this for you guys because I don't want to damage it, but if you do want to know how this looks, just go into Jeffree Star Cosmetics and check out the website and look for Wet Dream and the Supreme Frost, and you'll see the color of it. And then I am gonna be giving you guys the mini liquid lipstick. This one is in Androgyny. It's not as, honestly, it's not as that much of a difference if you think about it. Maybe it's half of a lipstick. So yeah, this is good. So for you guys to be able to enter the giveaway, you just have to do 3 things. First one, you have to like and subscribe to my channel. Second, you have to go ahead and add me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my link down below so you can just go and add me. And the third one would be adding a story to your Instagram, telling me that you want to win the highlighter and the lipstick and tagging me on the story. I am gonna be checking for you to do that, so you just have to do it once, but if you want to do it more times, I am gonna be checking that too, and you're gonna have better chances of winning the giveaway. Okay, you guys? Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, subscribe, like, tag, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.